Hi there, students. Insipid, an adjective. Insipidly, an adverb. Insipidness, the noun of the quality. Okay, let's see. If something is insipid, I would firstly use insipid to talk about food or drink, which just has no flavour. It's tasteless. It's very bland. It just doesn't really taste of anything. So the food served in my school cafeteria is insipid. It tastes rather like cardboard. The food is very disappointing. It's insipid. It just doesn't have any delicious flavour. And then you can also use this word insipid more metaphorically to say something that doesn't have character. It doesn't have definition. It's boring. So the film was insipid and just boring. Nothing really happened in it. The description of the holiday was very insipid. It was without character. It was characterless. So insipid, not having a strong character, not having any interest, no energy, no oomph. I think a lot of the music that is produced nowadays is rather insipid. It doesn't have any strong character. It doesn't have any energy. She's an insipid, boring old lady. This beer is very insipid. It doesn't taste of anything. Okay, an insipid flavour, lacking a strong taste. An insipid television series. It's boring. It lacks interest. Artists churning out insipid products that are not really of any great interest. They don't have qualities that excite. Everything that is produced here is so insipid. It panders to the lowest common denominator. So it tries to please the lowest taste, which makes it just insipid. If you describe food as insipid, it's awful because it just doesn't really taste of anything. It's bland, it's tasteless. And if you describe something or someone as insipid, they're boring. He never does anything. This teacher never does anything interesting or fun. His classes are insipid and boring. They're flat. They've got no life to them. I guess a football match could be insipid, where nobody does anything very interesting. Both sides defend. There are no goals. There are no interesting bits. Just defence against defence. This is going to be a rather insipid match. I fell asleep due to the insipidness of the match. Okay, so it doesn't have zest, it doesn't have zing, it doesn't have something that excites. It's just dull, without personality, without flavour, without anything stimulating. It's just boring, it's wishy-washy. It's unappetizing. It's not tasty, it's not got oomph, something special. It's just insipid. It's banal and drab and bland and flat. An insipid performance without any energy, without any life to it. So, insipid, formality. I think I'm going to give insipid a 5.5 in formality. Use anywhere. And as to origin, it comes from Latin insipidus, in, not, and sapidus, sapidus, savoury, salty, tasty. So not tasty, not with any delicious flavour. So enough, insipid. If you enjoyed the video, I hope it wasn't too insipid, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. An insipid description of insipid.